Hello and welcome to News Intervention. Doctors, they are respected by every community across countries because they save lives. And what about those doctors who choose to live in far-flung areas, in remote villages, only to serve their people? Such doctors would be revered, respected, admired, and held in high esteem. But this is not the case in Pakistan-occupied Balochistan. Dr. Deen Mohammad Baloch was one such doctor, but he was kidnapped by the Pakistani security forces on 28 June 2009. And what was his crime? Dr. Deen Mohammad Baloch's only crime in the eyes of Pakistani forces was that he chose to live in remote villages of Khuzdar. He chose to serve the poor and destitutes who had no access to modern medical facilities. And this is what the Pakistani security forces wanted to prevent. And that is why Dr. Deen Mohammad Baloch was abducted and continues to be under arrest by the Pakistani forces.
In the case of my father, Dr. Deen Mohammad Baloch, he was residing in his government apartment along with his chef and Ramzan Baloch. And Ramzan Baloch is the eyewitness when the security forces and several risk persons entered my father's apartment and they abducted my father. After that, former Chief Minister of Balochistan, Aslam Raisani, in a press briefing in Bolan Medical Hospital after the month's strike of PDMA doctors, Raisani stated that Dr. Deen Mohammad Baloch was abducted by Pakistan ISI. At that time, he was the Chief Minister of Balochistan.
میری والدہ ہے آج میں ان کو زبردستی لے کے آنے والی تھی. وہ کہہ رہی تھی کہ اب میرے لیے کچھ نہیں بچا ہے, میں کس لیے آ جاؤں. میری والدہ وہ عورت ہے جو 12 سالوں سے ایک ہاف ونڈو کی زندگی گزار رہی ہے, جن کو یہ تک پتہ نہیں ہے کہ ان کا اسٹیٹس کیا ہے. آیا وہ ابھی تک اپنے شوہر کے آنے کا انتظار کریں یا پھر ایک سیاہ چادر اوڑھ کر اپنے گھر میں بیٹھے. اور ایک ہم بھی ہیں جو باپ کے زندہ ہونے پر, باپ کے لوٹ آنے کی امید کے ساتھ ساتھ بھی یتیموں جیسی زندگی گزار رہے ہیں. تو آپ
Pakistani regime has this wicked policy of abducting intellectuals from Balochistan. The question is, why is this Pakistani regime so anti-intellectual in Balochistan? Well, the answer is, Baloch intellectuals talk about the atrocities committed by the Pakistan army. They talk about rights. They talk about the freedom of Baloch people and, of course, Balochistan. And this is what the Pakistani regime, the Pakistan army, they want to prevent. They want to keep the Baloch people uneducated. They want to keep them as slaves. And that is why all these Baloch intellectuals, like the doctors, engineers, scientists, advocates, they are abducted. And they join the list of Baloch missing persons.
As the world knows that enforced disappearances in Balochistan, it's not something new. It has been more than 2 decades that Pakistani security forces and ISI abducting Baloch pupils, students, doctors, teachers from everywhere of Balochistan.
According to VBMP, the voice for Baloch missing persons, more than 35,000 Baloch people have been kidnapped by the Pakistan army and they have gone missing over the last few years. More than 7,000 Baloch people have been killed under the kill and dump policy of the Pakistani forces. These numbers might be simple statistics for some human rights organization and champions of women's rights. But think about those family members who are running from pillar to post to secure the release of their fathers, sons, daughters who have been abducted by the Pakistani security forces and continue to languish in Pakistani jails. Think about their pain.
Well, it's done so many things after abduction of my father. Me and my sister spent our half of the life in front of press clubs and protests, and our whole family has been turned to psychological patients. For us, we don't celebrate Eid, no other special events, celebrations. When we sit in home, remember my father, then I couldn't stand off this and once join protests. It's not the first time. Before we had a train march in 2011, me and my sister Sami Baluch, along with other missing persons families, had set up a hunger strike in front of Islamabad Press Club. Later we had a hearing of Baluch missing persons in Supreme Court of Pakistan and Justice Javed Iqbal in 2011. Justice Javed Iqbal had assured us before reaching our homes back they will release my father and other missing persons. But later, some of them families like Vice for Baluch missing persons chairman Mama Kadir son Jalil Riki Baluch, Sangat Sana Baluch and Samir Baluch's families have received their mutilated dead bodies. After that, in 2013, my sister Sami Baluch has done historical long march and finally they reached in Islamabad in Nawaz Sharif's government, and nothing happened as usual. Nothing happened, no any news yet, and still we are looking for my father.
आप जानते हैं कि आज मेरे वालिद डॉक्टर दीन मोहम्मद बलूच की जिब्री गुमशुदगी को 12 सालों का तवील अरसा मुकम्मल हो चुका है। 12 सालों में पैदा होने वाला एक बच्चा लड़कपन की दहलीज पर कदम रखता है। उसके वालिदैन उससे नए ख्वाब, नए अरमान वाबस्ता करते हैं, लेकिन एक हम हैं जो 12 सालों से हमारी ज़िंदगी रुकी हुई है। 12 सालों से हम अपने वजूद से गाफिल हैं, अपने खुशियों से महरूम हैं, अपनी ज़िंदगी से महरूम हैं। अपने चैन और सुकून को नहीं जानते हैं कि चैन और सुकून क्या चीज़ है। अब हम अपनी ज़िंदगियों से इतनी बेजार हो चुके हैं कि हम जीना तक नहीं जानते। हम जीना तक इसलिए नहीं चाहते कि क्योंकि हम वैसे भी ज़िंदगी नहीं गुजार रहे हैं, हम जिंदा लाश बन चुके हैं, हम मौतनुमा ज़िंदगी गुजार रहे हैं।
Earlier this year, thousands of Baloch converged at the D Chowk in Islamabad to demand the release of Baloch missing persons. Daughters of Dr. Deen Mohammad Baloch, Mehlab and Sami were part of these protests. Yet, even after assurances from the Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan and Human Rights Minister Shireen Mazari, none of the Baloch missing persons have been released.
At this time, this year, after the sit-in in Islamabad sitting on the cool beating and open sky, 13 Baloch missing families were finally successfully appointed. A meeting with Imran Khan was in 18 March 2021. 3 representatives of missing families, Nasrullah Baloch and Sami Baloch and Seema Baloch, sister of missing Shabir Baloch, have accompanied by Human Rights Minister Shireen Mazari and Zubaida Jalal to the PM house. The Prime Minister has taken the details and promised that he will soon update the families. But after several months passed and their promises remain fake. The Prime Minister Imran Khan has met my sister and assured her that soon Dr. Deen Mohammed will be released. But as we have seen so much fake assurance, my sister didn't believe his words and requested to PM to promise me. After so much requesting of Sami, Imran Khan has Prime Minister Imran Khan has promised to her that he will update us about the case of my father and try his best in releasing of my father and other missing persons. These are the words of the Prime Minister Imran Khan, and these words will not become fake. But still, 3 months has passed. We are still waiting, and there is no update yet about the case of my father.
हम मेहनत के लिए निकले हैं, आओ हमारे साथ चलो। हम शक्ति के लिए निकले हैं, आओ हमारे साथ चलो। हम सीमा के लिए निकले हैं, आओ हमारे साथ चलो। हम अपनों के लिए निकले हैं, आओ हमारे साथ चलो। हम अपनों के लिए निकले हैं, आओ हमारे साथ।
12 years since Dr. Deen Mohammad Baloch was abducted by the Pakistani security forces in 2009. Baloch across the world, they are protesting for his release. And all that Sammi Baloch and Mehlab Baloch can remember is protests and more protests. The two daughters have spent their entire childhood in front of press clubs and missing person camps, protesting for the release of their father. When will this all stop? When will Pakistan release these innocent Baloch people from their prisons? It's time the world takes note of these atrocities, the atrocities committed by the Pakistan army, the gross human rights violations committed on innocent Baloch people. We must take note.